Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on LinkedIn that allows you to control how your profile photo is displayed to your network. If you want to show your profile photo to more people and enhance your visibility, follow these simple steps on your PC. First, open LinkedIn by navigating to linkedin.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar homepage filled with updates from your connections. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon typically features your profile picture or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Once you're in the Settings page, head over to Account Preferences. This section contains options that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience further. Now, scroll down until you find the Display section. Here, look for the option labeled Show Profile Photos. Click on it to access the visibility settings for your profile picture. You will see several options regarding who can view your profile photo. Choose your network if you want all of your connections and their connections to see your photo. This setting helps you connect with a wider audience and makes it easier for others to recognize and remember you. After making your selection, there's no need to save anything manually. LinkedIn automatically saves your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile photo visibility settings on LinkedIn. Now, when people from your network search for you or come across your profile, they'll be able to see your photo, making it more likely for them to connect with you. By following these steps, you're not just enhancing your visibility, but also taking an important step towards building a more professional online presence. So, go ahead and make those adjustments today. Thank you for tuning in, and happy networking on LinkedIn.